Hello. Let's learn some colors and alphabets. Light pink color, black color, orange color, purple color, light brown color, light green color, pink color, sky blue color, brown color, dark green color. Purple color. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. Purple color. Orange color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for queen. Orange color. Sky blue color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Sky blue color. Light green color. S. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. Light green color. Pink color. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. Pink color. Dark green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Dark green color. Dark brown color. V. V for van. V for van. V for van. Dark brown color. Black color. W. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. Black color. Light pink color. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Light pink color. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Sky blue color. Orange color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Orange color. P. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for table. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.